In this video, we are going to see how to send Twilio SMS messages for recalled Zoho Sign documents. So let's say that you are using Zoho Sign as an online signing service and you have got certain documents that you had shared with your client, but for some reason you have recalled them. Maybe some mistake or something. Now you want an SMS to be sent to your client talking about the same, that this particular document has been recalled, will be shared with you shortly. Now how can you do that? For this, you will have to integrate the two applications, and the same can be done using Pabbly Connect software. So here your trigger application would be Zoho Sign and your action application would be Twilio. How can you do this yourself? Integrate and automate this entire process. To understand that, let me take you to my screen. To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we do that, it will take us to the landing page of this software. Now here on the right hand side, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you already have an account with us, simply sign in. If you are a new user, sign up by clicking on this tab. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. Now since I already have an account, I'm simply going to click on sign in. And it has taken me to the all applications page. Let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of the application. On the right hand side, you can see a tab create workflow. Let's click on this and a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name this workflow. Now here my objective is that every time there is a Zoho Sign document which has been recalled, so that information should be sent to the client or the customer through Twilio, basically through an SMS. So I'm going to name it as send Twilio SMS messages for recalled Zoho Sign documents. Let's click on create. And now here we have reached another window which has got two very important events. One is trigger, another one is action. Triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, action is do this. So whenever you have to recall a document which was sent erroneously, that had errors. Okay. So whenever you have to recall a document which had errors and that was to be, so whenever you have to recall a document which was sent and it had errors, so what you have to do is the moment you ask for this recall thing, automatically the message should be sent. So here my trigger application would be Zoho Sign. Let's click on this. And now what would be my trigger event? This is the event that will make my workflow start. So here what should happen? So whenever a document is recalled, which means this will trigger when a document has been sent for signatures or approval are recalled by the sender. So let's click on this and click on connect. Now here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the Zoho Sign account. So I'm going to click on add new connection and then connect with Zoho Sign. Now here we have to enter the domain name to set up this connection. So let me take you to my Zoho Sign account. I have already logged in there. So here you can see this is my domain which is zoho.com. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect and write zoho.com and let's click on save. So here let's click on accept. And here we can see that the authorization has been successful, which means that this has been connected. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Here you can see that it is asking me to do a test submission in the application so that it can capture the response here. So now I'm going to take you to Zoho Sign. So here we are going to go to documents. Let's go to all. Now here you can see there are these two documents in progress. So I'm going to go to new contract final and here we'll go to actions. Before I go to actions, let me show you the document. So this is new contract final and here this is the name of the user, Pabbly user 1. Then this is the email address and the mobile number. Now I'm going to go back and once I'm here, we are going to click on these three dots and here we are going to recall. So it is asking me for the reason to recall this document and I'm going to write the date mentioned in the contract is incorrect. And now I'm going to click on recall. So here we can see that the document has been recalled. Now if I take you back to Pabbly Connect, here you can see that we have received the API response. So this is the request status, then the name, and here we have the name of the person, the email address, and this is the mobile number, and we have got the entire information. Again, here you can also see that the reason is mentioned over here. So now our next objective is that we should be able to send an SMS to this person telling him that this particular document has been recalled. So now I'm going to add another action step over here, and the application will be Twilio. So let's click on this. And now the action event here would be to send SMS message. Let's click on connect. Again, Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the Twilio account. So I'm going to click on add new connection, and to set up this connection we need the account SID and the authorization token. So you can very well find this. For this you will have to go to Twilio. Once you have logged in, here this is the dashboard, and if you will scroll down you will get the entire information. So this is account SID. I'm going to copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect, paste it over here. Then again I'm going to paste it over here. Then the authorization token, so I'm going to go here, and this is the authorization token. Let's copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. To set up the connection we are going to click on save. So once done, here we have to write the body of the SMS. So I'm going to write dear, and then I have to map the name. Mapping, again, as I have told you that I already have this information in my previous step. So I have the information, the name of my user over here. I'm just going to retrieve it here. For this I'm going to click on the first step, and here I'm going to look for name. So this is the name, and then just to inform you that the document name, now I'm going to map the name of the document over here. For this I'm going to go to step 1, and as I write name, so this is the request name, new contract final. This is the document name, new contract. So I'm going to go for this, and then shared with you at. So here I have to map the email address. So again I'm going to go here, and this is the email address. So has been recalled for the following reason. Now what is the reason? So we are going to map the reason over here. So again I'm going to write the reason. So this is the reason. The updated document will be shared with you shortly. So regards team Pabbly. That's it. This was my message. Now the sender number. For this number, again we are going to go to Twilio. This is my sender's number. Let's copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Now here we have to write the recipient's number. So here I'm going to click on this, go to step 1, and we have to look for the mobile number. So this is it. Let's click on this. Here it is written that we have to write the recipient's mobile number with the country code and plus sign. So I'm going to put it over here, plus sign 91. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that we have received the response, and this is the body of my SMS. And now I have received the same SMS on my phone, and here is the screenshot of the same, which basically means that this integration process is a success. But now we also need to check it in real time. So I'm going to go back to Zoho Sign In, and here I have this work report final. So I'm going to go here, go to actions, let's click on this, click on recall. Here we have to enter a reason. So let's say this time the amount mentioned is not correct. Okay, and now I'm going to click on recall. So what should happen as soon as this has been recalled? Here you can see there's a screenshot of the SMS that I have just received. This says that this is to inform you that the document named work report final shared with you at this particular email address has been recalled for the following reason. Then there is a reason. The updated document will be shared with you shortly. Regards Team Pabbly, which basically means that our entire integration process is a success. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect to exactly understand what we have done. So this is an extremely easy two-step integration process where our trigger application was Zoho Sign and the event was document recalled. Then our action application was Twilio. The action event was send SMS message. I hope you are very much clear with this. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the description box. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any other suggestion or advice for us, you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.